Hi, Dodo. Hi, birdie. Hi, Dodo. How's your day? Mm-hmm. Hi, Snowy. Oh. Hi, Benny. Hi. Nipple. He just likes to say Nipple. Hi, Benny. Hi. 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 Ooh, you stretching. Snowy be like, IDK what you're saying, but oh, hey, hey. Hi, baby bird. Hi, Benny. So, this is Benny. He is a cockatiel. He really likes his mirror. So cute. This one here is Snowy. She's currently our oldest budgie. She's also an albino budgie and is a male because of her Sarah. Right? This is Dodo. We rescued him like around 6-7 months ago. He's still recovering though because he injured his back and his chest, probably because he got in a fight with a hawk. Right? And here is Sunshine, our newly bought bird, rainbow parakeet, double factored pied. Currently do not know the gender yet, but probably a male. But at the same time, I probably think it's a female. I just do not know, but I'm more certain it's probably a male due to his or her activeness. You're really cute, right? Nice. Wanna? You are so cute. You're very cute. Aw. These are the introduction to my birds. We'll be uploading more bird videos soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any out from any more bird videos. I'll be also posting Prodigy videos too, but that's more often. Yeah, that's it for now. Till next time, catch you later.